Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of automated investing with Wealthfront, one of the first things you'll want to do is link your bank account. This simple process makes it easy to transfer funds, set up automatic investments, and keep everything synced without the hassle. Today, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can get started in no time. First off, why bother linking your bank account? Wealthfront is a powerful robo-advisor that helps you grow your money smarter, but it needs access to your funds to work its magic. By connecting your bank, you enable seamless transfers and real-time monitoring, which can save you tons of time and reduce manual errors. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Wealthfront account. If you don't have one yet, head to their website or app and sign up. It's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Banking section, usually found in the dashboard or settings menu. Step 2. Look for the option that says, Link a bank account, or something similar. Wealthfront supports a wide range of banks, so select yours from the list. If your bank isn't listed, you might need to enter the details manually. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your bank's login credentials. This is where two-factor authentication comes in. Make sure you have it enabled for extra security. Wealthfront uses bank-level encryption, so your info stays safe. After that, Wealthfront will initiate a verification process, often involving small test deposits to your account. This might take a day or two, so keep an eye on your bank statements. Once the deposits appear, go back to Wealthfront and confirm the amounts to complete the link. Finally, once everything's verified, your accounts are linked. You can now set up transfers, monitor your balances, and automate your investments. Pro tip: always double-check for any pending transactions and review your linked accounts periodically for security. And there you have it. That's how you link your bank account to Wealthfront. It's straightforward and can supercharge your financial setup. If you run into any issues, Wealthfront's support team is top-notch, or feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more money-saving tips. See you next time.